The last time I was excited about a keyboard was when my dear friend bought me a Razer Blackwidow Ultimate. Back then I became really excited, but after that though, it took me a while to get excited about any keyboard as they were all made almost the same way. Until the day Corsair announced that they were developing their own full RGB gaming keyboard, and since then, I've waited for them to start shipping them out. And that day is today, my friends. Welcome to my review of the Corsair K70 RGB Gaming keyboard. Well, I did ask Corsair Malaysia a few months ago. It's been quiet, but I guess I could understand. Maybe they were busy, or maybe they just wanted to see how good I am first. So don't forget to subscribe. Well, I couldn't wait anymore, so finally I bought one myself. This Corsair K70 RGB Gaming keyboard comes in at 619 Malaysian ringgit, and that in US dollars, referring to Newegg and NCIX, costs this much. For as long as I have known, Corsair has been one of the companies that always delivers great quality products. Of course, there has been hiccups here and there, but that never really made any impact on their reputation. So Corsair has delivered the new RGB lineup gracefully. Right here specifically is the K70 RGB, a full 16.8 million color, fully programmable and customizable backlit keyboard. Yeah, I said gracefully, right? Well, I wasn't really being honest. Despite having to wait for a whole year, the Corsair K70 launched with its own Corsair utility engine, short-named Q, which is kind of messed up. Instructions were not clear, it had a lot of bugs, customizations of the lightings, profiles and macros were flustered, and on top of all that, it lacks simple, ready-made profiles for a first-time usage thing. Yeah, I know, it's super advanced and stuff, but they could have done an easy setting and advanced setting option really. Well, honestly, that's the only problem about it really. Is it a deal breaker? No, of course not. Softwares can be patched, and so far there's no hardware issues that have been reported except for the fact that defects happen during shipment. So I've moved the con forward and aside. Now it's time for the good part. It is, without a doubt, one of the best looking gaming keyboard out there. It's fitted with anodized brushed aluminum body, very nice. The layout is the same 104 keys with no compromise, added with dedicated meter keys, fitted with a sexy volume control knob and brightness adjustment button, and Windows lock is also programmable to suit your needs. These Cherry MX switches may behave and perform the same and even sound the same, but they are different because the base is all transparent, so the RGB light is installed into it and it's diffused evenly around it, making the entire base light up. Wow. Corsair has really set themselves apart from their competitors here. Well, for some people, they don't like these jerked out keys, but really it's somewhat practical as you can easily clean them out. Unfortunately, this version of the Corsair K70 has no USB ports and audio ports. That's a bit of a letdown. At the back, there is a polling rate switch that you can change to 1 millisecond, 2 millisecond, 4 millisecond or 8 millisecond, and the fifth is basically just turning it into a basic 104 keyboard without any media keys and advanced features. The wrist rest is treated with Corona coating, which basically makes the base stronger and making anything else applied to it, for this example rubber, more lasting, and with that makes it soft, comfortable and overall enhancing the typing experience. Every single key can be customized to link any profile and programmed together, so when you open up or switch to any program, it will work instantaneously. You can choose up to 16.8 million colors, which is, in my opinion, is virtually unlimited. Lighting effects can be assigned to a single key or a group, and the timings, the velocity, the duration, the intensity, the reactive timing, all can be programmed as well. You can create really interesting and complex lighting effects. Probably if you can think it, this keyboard can do it. It's really exciting to see how creative people can be with this. You can also import other profiles to your keyboard. There's already tons of profiles out there in the Corsair forum. For example here, profiles made by Schwitz is this nifty 1UP profile, Payday 2, Rave, Equalizer profile, Pac-Man, Knight Rider, corrosive, and my personal favorite is the EMP, which has this nifty exploding effect when you press any key. So the overall experience for the K70 RGB Gaming keyboard is amazing. As always, Corsair does it. Everything about it feels great. There weren't any flecks from the body, the shape was nice, the look, the finish of that brush aluminum made, it's so premium. The packaging, it was almost perfect. I mean, really, near perfect. If only they had thought of the software more thoroughly to make it a much more painless experience. You probably know that since Corsair announced their RGB lineup, competitors such as Razer and Logitech came out with the Razer Chroma and Logitech G910. Those really are tempting as well. I mean, this is really interesting to see who is the king of RGB gaming keyboards. Guess I'll just have to wait and see whether Razer and Logitech is gonna send me some review units. So that's it for my review of the Corsair K70 RGB Gaming keyboard, and I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it, because I did, because I really like this keyboard. And if you do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, because I will still have more videos coming. And as always, Arrow of the Geeks, baby. And Logitech wants to send me some review units. Review units? Huh?